So from iMovie, you're going to go to Import Media if you want to record video of yourself. And from there, you can actually click FaceTime HD Camera and record your own video. And that'll be you just talking to the camera. For our example here, I've just put some footage of the string quartet that performed for us a while back. And I want to show you how you can insert some other pieces. So if you do green screen, you can add a picture over a green screen. When you drag this over, you have a couple of options. You have cutaway, which will actually just cut away, as the name implies, to that image. If you click on it again, we'll see we have the green, blue screen background option. You can do a split screen where it'll do both the video and your image that you dragged in, or you can even do picture-in-picture and then put your picture anywhere in the image you'd like or resize it, which is pretty handy. Now, if you wanted to narrate over this, you can go to Audio, and in the bottom right here, or in the bottom left of this pane, you have a microphone. So you could actually click Record Voiceover and then have your voice over the images that you want if you don't want to be on screen. And if you're not familiar with how to do titles, you can add titles right here and just drag them in, and then you can put whatever words you want. You can do different backgrounds to your titles, and then of course transitions too. So if you wanted to do a blur between this and this, you can drag this right in between, and then let's see what that looks like. And that'll be you just talking to the camera. Once your video is complete, you're going to end up going all the way up here to the upper right corner to this share button, and you're going to choose to save it as a file. And once you do that, I suggest you save it to your desktop or wherever, make the title appropriate, so My X Project, and then click Next. And from there you get to choose where you want it. You can choose movies. For me, I'm going to choose my desktop so I don't lose it, and then hit Save. And then if you look in the upper right hand corner, we've got this little circle. So that will actually show you how far along this video is in processing. So it doesn't immediately go to your desktop. It actually has to process for a bit. Once that finishes processing, then you can upload to Google Drive and Google Classroom. Okay, so now that my video has been exported, I'm going to upload it to Google Drive. So first I'm going to open up a new tab. Let's go to Google Drive. And if you have a folder for Xstream, you can use that. You can create a new folder, however you choose to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder. And let's call that Xstream. And here, we're just going to drop in our file that we exported from iMovie. So just drag that right in if you're using Chrome, or you can upload it if you're not using Chrome. Other browsers won't let you drop in like that. So once that finishes uploading, we're going to get a shareable link, and from there we will not only put that link in our document, but also we will create a QR code with it. So at the very bottom of your document, you'll note you've got these two places to include both a video link to your final 1 to 2 minute video and your final QR code to insert the image right here. Now that we have our video uploaded, I can click on it, and we are going to get a shareable link. And we want anybody who gets this video to be able to view it. So we're going to go to click on the video, go to share. There are several ways to get to share. This is the way I'm doing it, but you can have your own way. And click on Get Shareable Link. From there, we actually want to change this from anyone at Milken School can view and go to More. That way your parents who don't have Milken email addresses can view this as they come around with their phones. So anyone with the link can view. That's what we want. Click Save, and then click Copy Link. From there, we're actually going to do two things with that link. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that in to my document here. So this is our final document for your X projects. Now you'll notice, first of all, I've got a link in there, but it's black, which means it's not clickable. And I've just got a little tip for you. If you push the space bar, that'll change it to a blue clickable link. So I suggest doing that. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a QR code, which is what we'll be putting on our boards. And I want you to also include that here, which you'll insert in this document. So if you Google QR code generator, you're going to find a bunch of these. I actually like the second one, and I've included this as a link in Google Classroom, so you can go directly there without doing a Google search. But if you do a Google search, this is the way to do it. And you're going to choose a URL because it's a website that you're linking to. Paste in that link to your Google Drive video, and then click Save right here for your QR code. Go ahead and name it maybe X Project QR, whatever you want to name it. I like PNG images, so let's go ahead and plan on saving that as a PNG, and then click Save. And from there, it will download right to your downloads folder or wherever you have your downloads set to go. And then I'm going to go back to my connection final project outline and summary video document and just drag that right in to insert the image. Or you can go to Insert Image. There are several ways to do it. But that's where I want you to put your image, and that's what we're going to print and have you print probably on your presentation boards. From there, of course, you're going to need to click Turn In on your Google document so that I can view all of this and comment as needed. But that's the basics of what you need to do. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot.